Namaste Yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh Farswan, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Namaste Yogis and welcome to the flow 2. As we are done with our sun salutation, so in today's video we are going to cover up some standing posture in a sequence. So let's start. So wherever you are, come in front of your mat by taking a 1 foot distance by top of the mat. Join the feet together. Relax your shoulders down. Then with an exhalation, lift your both hands over your head. Exhale, go for full forward. Place your head by side of your feet. Inhale, lift your right leg back. By bending your left leg, slowly drop your right leg down. Now we are moving to Warrior A. From here, inhale, lift your trunk up. Keep lengthening your spine, joint your palm over your head for Veerbhadrasana A. So we're going to hold here for 3 breaths. Keep lengthening your spine, relax your shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. Now from here, stand your left hand forward, open your chest towards your right side, and at the same time turn your back foot out for Warrior B. Make sure your shoulders not lifting like this. Shoulders should be relaxed and look forward. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Slowly your hand as it is, extend your left leg forward by dropping your left hip down. Extend forward and grab your big toe with your left hand, and at the same time straight your right hand over your left for Trikona Asana and hold here for 3. Keep lengthening your spine. Make sure your shoulders are lifting up, not on towards the air. 2 and 1. Slightly bend your front leg. Inhale back to Warrior B. And exhale, come forward. Now inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, go for full forward. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left leg. Lift your left leg, slowly step your left leg back by bending your right leg. Inhale up for Warrior A, nice and slowly. Keep lengthening your spine, joint the palm of your head. Breathe in and breathe out. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly open your heart towards your left side. Switch to the Warrior B. Make sure your back leg should be turning outside. And look forward and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Stay strong. Now slowly extend your right leg by dropping your right hip down. Go forward, exhale, bend your torso, grab your big toe with your middle finger, index finger. Slowly lengthen your spine. Lift your left shoulder, align with your right. And look towards your left palm. Hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Sink forward, bend your right leg. Inhale. Come up for Warrior B. Nice and slowly maintain your shoulder aligned with your hip. And exhale. Step your left leg forward and relax. Now inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale. Go for full forward. By taking a fingertip support, step your left leg back. Now from here, make sure your left foot turning for the 45 degree. Now you can take a support of the block by outside of your right leg. Now we are moving to Parivirta Trikona Asana. So make sure first you have to extend your right leg and make sure your hip should be square. Now slowly place your left hand on the block. As you inhale, with the support of your thumb, push your front hip back and open your heart. Try to maintain your balance and slowly look towards the ceiling and hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly shift your weight forward, bend your front leg, lift your block up, straight your right leg, turn your right in, your left out. Now we are going to do the same thing on the left side. Gently place your block by outside of your leg and place your right hand on the block. Now with your left thumb, push back your front hip and keep lengthening your spine, open your chest and look towards the ceiling. And hold here for 3, 2, breathe in, and exhale, relax. By bending your legs slowly back to the center, your leg as it is, position as it is. Now from here, bend your leg, straight your arm as you exhale, go forward and try to bend your torso, place your right palm by outside of your right foot. As you inhale, your left hand over the ears and look towards your left palm for Parsvakonasana and hold here for 3, 2, open your chest as much as you can, and 1. Slowly inhale back to the center. Now this time we are going with the block on the left side. So same thing, bend your left leg, open your hip, exhale, reach forward with your left hand, bend your torso, gently place your hand on the block, open your chest and exhale, place your right hand over the ears and look towards your right palm and hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly push and come back to the center. Now from here we are going to Parivritta Parsvakonasana. So you can remove your block. Try to lift your back heel up, come up on your toes. Now drop your left knee down. Make a namaste in between your heart center. Inhale and exhale, twist towards the right side. As you exhale, bend your torso, place your armpit by outside of your knee and do lengthening your spine and then go for twisting. Look towards the ceiling. As you find your balance, slowly lift your back knee off to the mat and hold here. If in case you are feeling uncomfortable to finding your balance, then do focus on your breathing. It will help you to finding your balance. 2, and 1. Exhale. Drop your knees down. Inhale. Slowly lift your back knee. Move towards the left side. Drop your right knee down. Make a namaste. And exhale. Twist towards the left side. Exhale. Place your armpit by outside of your knee first. Try to focus on lengthening your spine. And then go for twisting. Breathe in, find your balance, and lift your back knee off to the mat. Look toward the ceiling and hold here for 3. Keep breathing at the same time. Don't hold your breath. 2, and 1. Inhale, release your hand, slowly move towards the right side. Come back to the center. And slowly come forward. Inhale, round your spine. Lift your trunk up. Open your leg. Open your hand. Close your eyes and relax. Slower down your breath. Now slowly open your eyes, shake your hand, shake your leg. Now try to maintain your feet together. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, go for full forward. Take a fingertip support, lengthening the spine, look forward. Exhale, place your palm down. You can jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slowly. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Try to maintain your balance. Exhale, stand your right leg forward in between your both hands. By taking a fingertip support, lift your back heel off to the mat. Shift your weight forward. Stretch your left leg. As you inhale, extend your both hands overhead for warrior C. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your trunk up. Now this time, keep your left leg high. Grab your left ankle and place your foot by outside of your right thigh for tree pose. So this should be like this. So in case if you are feeling uncomfortable here, you can place your foot by outside of your shin bone. So from here, by placing your foot by outside of your thigh, find a balance. Open your hip. As you inhale, lift your hands up and close your eyes. Do focus on your breathing. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release your hands down. Find your balance. Place your hands on the waist. Inhale, release your leg. Now from here with the left hand, grab your foot, your left foot. Slightly shift your weight forward. Stretch your left leg back for Natarajasana. Extend your right leg forward, right hand forward, and hold here. Find a balance for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, back to the center. Release your leg down. Exhale, go for full forward. Inhale, lengthening your spine. And exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice. Now with the next inhalation, lift your left leg up. Send your left leg forward. Now first take a fingertip support. At the same time, lift your right heel off to the mat. Swing your weight forward. Stretch your right leg up. Inhale, straight your hand forward. For warrior C, find a balance. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Stay strong. Breathe in. Lift your trunk up. Find a balance. Now from here, place your right foot by outside of your left thigh. Find a tree pose, Vrikasana. And with your inhale, lift your hands up and close your eyes. Open your hip. Keep pressing your big toe to find your balance. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Release your hand. Place your hands on your waist. Now gently release your right leg. With your right hand, grab your right foot. Stretch your leg back. And at the same time, as you find your balance, extend your left hand forward and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Release your leg. Place your hand and place your leg on the mat. Inhale up. Exhale. Go for full forward. Inhale up. Exhale. Jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. By dropping your knees down, find a tabletop and press your palms slowly, relax in child pose. Round your hands back. Breathe in and breathe out. Slower down your breath.